Sedgehammer is a selective herbicide concentrate that targets a variety of stubborn, unwanted weeds including purple and yellow nutsedge, cockleburr, sunflowers, giant ragweed, pigweed, velvet leaf, and horsetail. To prepare Sedgehammer, simply dilute the powdered concentrate with water in a pump sprayer according to rates indicated on the product label. For best results, apply to well-established turf when weeds are actively growing. Spray and target weeds until the leaf surfaces are visibly wet. You should make the application when rainfall is unlikely for at least 4 hours and outside temperature does not exceed 85 degrees. Avoid mowing 2 days before and after application. Sedgehammer begins working 24 to 48 hours after application, but results may not begin to show until 5 to 7 days later. In some cases, you will need to apply a second treatment of Sedgehammer after 6 to 10 weeks. Sedgehammer is available in a variety of sizes to fit your needs. The single-use size, called Sedgehammer Plus, produces 1 gallon of finished solution, perfect for spot treating weeds on your property. Sedgehammer 1.33 ounce bottle makes 40 gallons of finished solution, great for large areas and broadcast applications. This size includes a scoop for easy measuring. The larger size also requires a separate surfactant to be added to the tank sprayer. Choose a non-ionic surfactant with at least 80% active ingredient that is labeled for use with herbicides, and always follow the label instructions for both products.
And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.